Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by stopping the biggest causes of heat, apps and radios. Force stop or swipe away heavy apps, then turn off mobile data, Bluetooth, and GPS because radios generate continuous power draw. Once done, drop screen brightness to about 30% and enable battery saver so the CPU scales down. Make sure you remove any thick case now. Cases trap heat. These steps cut heat generation immediately and prepare the phone for the deeper fixes that follow. Next, dig into configuration and diagnostics. Update the system and apps so known bugs and driver issues are patched. Install a monitoring tool and watch CPU and battery graphs. Identify processes using more than 20% CPU. Once identified, uninstall offending apps or restrict their background activity and disable wake locks. Also clear app caches for large apps and limit sync intervals for mail and social accounts. These reduce periodic spikes. Together, these actions stop recurring heat cycles from software misbehavior. Finish by testing under normal use. Reboot the phone and observe temperatures during browsing and light apps. If heat persists, boot into safe mode to see whether third-party apps are responsible. If the phone cools, uninstall recent apps. Check charging gear. Faulty chargers or ports can generate heat, so stop charging and use a verified charger. If software issues remain after trying all fixes, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This is the final step and usually resolves persistent software-related heating.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.